Hello everyone, I am Dr. Suresh Raman. I am very happy to be here on this Engineers Day. Happy Engineers to you all. Today we have an expert academician who is having more than 3 decades of experience at Anna University. I am very much proud to introduce our respected professor, Professor M. Pradeep Kumar, Director, AUFRC, Institute for CAD/CAM, Anna University, Chennai. I can able to witness a lot of core engineering thrust process, various government sector consultancy projects, works, has dedicatedly given a lot of things to the society, and we are very proud to meet our professor today. I'm having a few questions in my mind on behalf of you. I'm going to throw some questions to him so that you can able to understand what the really engineering society is looking for, what the industry is looking for, and how whether we are prepared for that. In such way, I hope this particular interview will give you a good insight to think about your own future. Hello, sir. Nice meeting you, sir.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. So, during your discussion, I came to know that today we have launched a program, ANSYS certification program. You were on the dais, he was talking about a lot of things. It was very impressive, actually. That's why I want to. I requested ANSYS person to have an interview with you. They were readily accepted for that with your busy schedule. First of all, I wholeheartedly thank for accepting our invitation. On behalf of student community, I would like to have few questions and discussions with you so that the students may understand what is the gap they are really having in their own engineering process. So with that, I would like to have a few questions with you. Question number 1 on behalf of you. So kindly brief about your center where you are really working, and you were talking about a lot of consultation projects that you have taken. It was very impressive, so that the people also want to know about that. Kindly throw some insight on that particular process where you are working and what kind of projects you have developed. So it was really interesting to hear. So I request you to.
A very happy Engineers Day. I am Pradeep Kumar, professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So I am holding the director of AUFRC Institute for CAD/CAM. So in 1996 we started this center. We collaborated with Germany. The main objective of this center to just provide a skilled manpower to the Indian industries, especially in the field of CAD/CAM particularly. So this center supports for industries also from the day one. So we are supported for many government organizations like ISRO, DRDO, CVRD, BEL, and almost all the government organizations related to the technical issues. Also, we are supported for many private sectors, TVS, GE, Siemens, and also we are supported for our local industries also, from the small scale industries also we are supporting related to the finite element analysis, modeling, rapid prototyping and other areas. So we are supporting for ISRO and DRDO mainly in the area of finite element analysis, simulation for their design, especially for their cryogenic engine. We are supported for ISRO people for the development of cryogenic engine in the year 2001. So every year we are doing more than 30 to 40 consultancy projects. Every people they are looking only the analysis part. Earlier in 90s or maybe up to 2000, many people have learned that CAD tool. CAD tool is only the modeling. So the skill, the need of that finite element analysis was not up to the level of that need of the industries. So we trained a number of people in the area of finite element analysis from the 1996. Almost we can just go to any leading industries that almost all the design engineers have learned at least one course like finite element analysis using the ANSYS they learned from the AUFRC Institute for the CAD/CAM. So recently just we can see our projects in our website for did the work for Siemens, GE and many companies. We use ANSYS tool for the FEA simulation analysis. Every year almost we are training 300 to 400 people in the area of finite element analysis. Especially there's a huge market demand in that ANSYS tool. So therefore especially we are conducting minimum 10 to 15 batches of ANSYS tool finite element analysis, okay, by using that ANSYS tool connecting minimum 10 to 15 batches, sir.
Very good, sir. That was very good initiative not only your straight back into the academic field, also you extended your thought process into consulting activities, and you have done a lot of projects to the Indian community. And my second question is, today we have launched a program on the September 5th, that's on Engineering Day, that answers Innovation Certification Program. On behalf of Anna University, you just launched that program. And what's the need for this particular certification program, and how it is going to help the students community?
Yeah, actually this course not only for the students. Actually this course launched for student community, educators community, and also industry persons also.
Oh, good.
So not only for the students.
So you are covering 3 verticals.
Yeah, 3 verticals. This course covers for the 3 verticals.
Okay.
Because the students are the ambassador for the industries. You want to give a correct input to the students. Okay, what they want to do in the industry, because there is a huge gap between the readiness of the industry and the student level. We are giving the, as the educators, generally we are giving a knowledge to the student.
Yes, sir.
But what they want to do in the industry is missing, that there is a gap between the industry and the academic institutes.
Okay.
So like ANSYS, the certification program, I think it fulfill complete requirement of that industry, readiness to work in that industry.
So instead of employment, if the student has certificate in this, they are deployable engineers. So
Yeah, really.
employability is different than employability.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Deployability, right?
Because this course gives the insight on what is the physics behind the finite element analysis.
Okay, the fundamentals.
Yeah. What is the, because the students are only they are using icon level. Okay, this we can use it, this we can use it. There is a no use, only like as that. Okay, other things. So we are okay. These certification programs gives the insight what behind that finite element analysis for the each type of analysis. For example, computational fluid dynamics. What is the physics behind?
Okay.
Or structural analysis.
Okay.
Now we are ANSYS has extended that other applications also. I am really very happy just saw that for you are using that electrical applications, electronic applications also. So we are ready to support all the our external support to all the engineering.
Oh, okay, this certification program is not only for like a mechanical engineer or civil engineer, they have extended up for even electronics engineers and even electrical engineers.
Yes.
ANSYS multi-physics,
Yeah,
I think so, right? So students has to, this kind of program will definitely develop the fundamental skills of understanding the physics behind any application. That's right.
Correct.
So in that way, the course was designed.
For educators also, just they are the teachers, okay, going to teach, okay, what is behind the physics of the finite element method.
Okay.
So there is a missing in that, because the industries are looking only the icon based working, they are not interested.
Okay.
So they want to know how they are interpreting the results is very, very important thing. So therefore the physics behind that each application is very, very important. I think this course, okay, almost fulfill that need of the industries.
Good, sir. Very, very happy.
And industry people also, okay, people are working in modeling. They are looking for, sir, we want to go for the next level in the analysis part, what we can do. So this course gives that insight on the industrial real applications as a model and examples also. So the industry people also, they can learn this course. They can update their skill in their finite element analysis by the ANSYS certification.
Happy to note that this particular certification program is not only designed for students, it's also designed for educators as well as industrial peoples, those who are doing a lot of research, those who want to enhance their system of operations. I think we are discussing about the space exploration. They have some kind of thought process in space exploration. So during the seminar, I just gone through that. Okay. And I have another question to you, sir. How it is going to benefit the students community in terms of placements where they are going to take these particular courses? Because every student thought process, I need to get a placement in like 40 lakh per annum or 20 lakh per annum. That was a thought process seated in the young minds actually. Whether the student is going to have study this course, whether he is certified, and how it's going to help the student community in terms of core placements.
Yeah, recently just I studied many articles. Also, I am in that part of CAD/CAM related industries contacts. So the people are looking skilled people, okay, for the finite element analysis. One company has came to me. They are asked, okay, we need 100 engineers in the skill of finite element analysis.
Oh.
We could not find even 10 people in that field of
almost 10%
skilled people with the readiness of the industries.
Oh, okay.
So that is a very, very important thing, sir.
It's very pathetic actually.
Yeah. So actually this kind of the course, okay, the ANSYS Innovation Certification Program gives the insight on that industrial skill, okay, what actually the people are doing in the industries. Therefore the placement market is very good in the CAD/CAM industries, especially in the analysis part. is a very good, okay, future. Also the electric vehicle design or maybe battery design, everything they needed for that finite element analysis. People, I think lakhs and lakhs of people are needed for that in CAD/CAM industry related to the finite element analysis.
So I'm very happy to hear that. No, that's why I keep Anna University has taken an initiative to bring this to the students community as a certification courses in collaboration with ANSYS. I hope this particular certification program will definitely help you to reach the greatest heights in the core engineering field. As Professor said, you have a lot of job markets and a lot of trust in this area. Have a glance on this, try to learn this particular course and get certified in ANSYS. Develop your skills, upskill yourself, and be a competent person. Definitely will help you in the nearly future. And my last question, sir, regarding the, we are discussing about job markets. How much amount of the salary, if you have any idea that when the people is hired with this particular potential, what is the fundamental salary or the a company which is looking for this kind of people?
Yeah, CAD/CAM small scale industries, they are ready to offer minimum 8 lakhs per annum.
Wow. That's a fundamental requirement, of course, yeah. Minimum 8 lakh per annum.
Minimum 8 lakhs per annum, they are ready to give.
Sorry to interrupt. Viewers, please make a note. You have minimum 8 lakh rupees per annum as a salary, particularly in the CAD/CAM industries. That was the thing that you got to really understand. What is the thrust in the core engineering field? Please continue.
So just the other companies, okay, MNCs they are giving a very good offer, almost 16 lakhs per annum.
Oh, even 16 lakhs per annum.
16 lakhs per annum, they are ready to give. But the readiness of the industries is very, very important. This kind of course is really helpful for the students for learning their upskill development.
How much time it's required to learn this? To get this certification course. So the minimum time requirement.
Yeah, minimum we need 72 hours.
72 hours.
Yeah, for theory, but they want to practice in number of projects, industry projects.
Okay.
Minimum, at least they want to work on minimum 10 to 15 projects. So in this curriculum, your program, you are given a lot of industry related issues also.
Okay.
So if they have solved all the issues, they are ready to work on industry.
That is the need of actually. The engineers are always designed in such a way that they have to give a solution for a particular problem. Right. The curriculum has been designed in such a way that the industry problems has been given to you. You have to solve and you have to find the solution for the industrial realistic problems. Then so that you can upgrade yourself and you can develop your engineering skill sets. What every industry is looking for. In that way, I hope this particular certification program will definitely help you a lot. Trying to have a glance on that. I'll give a little bit insight on this and in the description box. Go through the description box and try to enhance yourself in a better way so that the world is looking for a very realistic core engineering people in the nearly future for the next 3 decades almost. That is a very good thought process for a student in a core industry in the mechanical area or civil area or electronics area, electrical area and whatnot. Anyway, thank you for your valuable time, sir. You have given a lot of insights about core engineering, about the ANSYS certification programs. I hope that definitely this will help the students community in the near future. Thanks for your time in your busy schedule. Thank you, sir. Thank you.